we'll guide you through how to 3D print with Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your computer, and make sure you're using the latest version for the best features and compatibility. Once you're inside Blender, you'll want to start by designing your 3D model. You can either create a new model from scratch using the various modeling tools like Extrude, Scale, and Rotate, or you can import an existing model if you have one. After you've got your model ready, the next step is to ensure that it's properly prepared for 3D printing. You need to check the scale of your model because it needs to match the size of the 3D print you want. Use Blender's measurement tools to adjust the dimensions accordingly. It's also important to make sure your model is manifold, which means it should be a solid shape without any holes or non-manifold edges. You can use the 3D Print Toolbox add-on that comes with Blender to check for any errors. Just go to the Edit menu, select Preferences, then Add-ons, and enable the 3D Print Toolbox. This tool will help you identify and fix any issues that might cause problems during printing. Once your model is error-free, you need to export it in a format your 3D printer can understand, typically an STL file. Go to the File menu, choose Export, and select STL. Make sure you have the right settings checked, like applying modifiers and exporting only selected objects. After exporting, you can move on to your slicing software. This is where you'll convert your STL file into G-code, the language your 3D printer understands. Load your STL file into the slicer. Choose your print settings, such as layer height, infill density, and print speed, and then generate the G-code. Finally, load the G-code into your 3D printer, either via an SD card or USB, and start the printing process. Keep an eye on the print for the first few layers to ensure everything is going smoothly. And there you have it. Your 3D model is now being printed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.